National Retail Properties. National Retail Properties is a REIT. I used to buy it through DRIP, through one of the purchase agents. It currently had a high of 46.44 over the last 52 weeks high. The price was 45.04. The low in the last 52 weeks is 25.80. The current yield is 4.72%. Its beta is 0.8. I like the beta. 122 earnings per share. I like that. If you limit it, if you want to purchase it by limit, you know, $36 a share or $38 a share, you might have to wait a while, but it would increase your yield. Right now, it's paying 52 cents a share. The last 3 quarters, 52 cents a share. If you can purchase it before the next X date, which is probably going to be at the end of this month, around the 29th, it hasn't given us an X date yet. But every single quarter has maintained or has gone up or maintained from where it was. It was much lower than it was less than 52 cents, and now it's 52 cents a share. So if you wait, you'll miss on the dividend because it's quarterly stock. If you can wait 3 months, you can increase your yield long term. If you choose to do it at the market rate, you're still getting 4.72. So the high of the last 52 weeks was 46.44. The low was 25.87. So it may go down low again. And if it's $36 or $38, say you really want to wait till it gets it down to 36. If it ever gets down to 36, that will increase your yield. If it ever gets back down to 38, that'll increase your yield. As I said, in the last 52 weeks, the lowest it's been is 25.87. Right now, the highest it's been is 46.44. The thing about this stock, it's trading near the high. So it's trading near the resistance level. Some individuals monitor stocks that are close to the high because they think it may break through. If it breaks through the resistance level and you purchase it, when it breaks through the resistance, it may run around and make a lot of money. That's what a lot of people do. A lot of speculators are waiting for it to break through any stock, not just this stock, but any stock to break through the resistance, and then it'll go up and up and up for a while. It'll stop, find a new resistance point. But there's money to be made if you're correct and it breaks through a resistance. I'm not looking for it to break through resistance. It could, but I'm not looking for that. I like the yield. It's been a safe stock, and they've been increasing the dividend ever since they started paying a dividend. Every quarter it's been the same or higher, the same or higher, the same or higher. For the last 3 quarters, it's been 52. Before that, it was less than 52. So now it's your choice. Do you want to have it to be a dividend stock? I like dividend stocks that are safe. And if you lock in enough shares, eventually they may increase the dividend again. The past is no guarantee that they will continue to raise the dividend. Some companies raise the dividend, and then they have to cut back. And they may or may not raise it again. But for years, this company has been steady on their dividend. The price, flexible. As I said, the low was 25.87 and the high was 46.44. The close of today was 45.04. So it's closing towards the high. So the yield is still 4.7, not the 5%. I like 5% or more usually. Hawaiian Electric was my favorite stock for a long, long time. That's why it was the only one that has a low yield that I suggested, because eventually they may raise the dividend, and if you get it in at this level and they raise the dividend, and then the yield for you is set for whatever you bought it at as a percentage, if that makes sense. So at National Retail Properties is a REIT. They rent out to different companies real estate. You can Google them, NNN, National Retail Properties, and they'll come up and they'll show you the different companies that they rent to. If you have any questions, put them down below, and I'll try to get to them. Peace out. Live long and prosper. Have a jolly good day. And as I like to say, God bless America.